Hi, in this video I am going to show you the control key magic in AutoCAD solid editing. You just need to press and hold Control key, and you can select the face of any solid object and edit it like what you want. Not only the faces, also the line and the corner of the object you can modify. Also, you can extrude the face by selecting the face and make it another object. You don't need to draw the shape of the face to extrude. Here you have to just point cursor on red spot after selecting the face, and you can extend the face by selecting the option, Extend Adjacent Face. Thanks for watching QasimCAD tutorial. Please like, share and subscribe.